What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build my very first custom keyboard. All the part I use in this video, I will put the link in the description. So let's start. As the beginner, I'm using Geeks GK61, which is 60% layout keyboard and hot swappable PCB. Geeks 61 do provide stock stabilizer, but I'm just gonna use my own stabilizer. For the switches, I'm using Nova Ross switches and JWK Panda stabilizer. So I start to looping the switches by using Krytox 205 grade 0, Krytox 105 for spring, and TX switch film. Looping the switch do take a lot of time, so it really depends on you. But if you choose to loop your switch, trust me, the results are so satisfying and you won't regret it. So we start to loop the bottom housing. Put the spring back to it. And put the film inside. Loop the stem. And the top housing. After I done looping all the switch, I start to looping JWK Panda stabilizer. So first thing I need to do is clip all the stem. Loop the housing. Loop it evenly on the wire. And access blink stabilizer back together. Before put the stabilizer back to the plate, I stick some bayonet in the plate to prevent the wobble on the stabilizer. Final step, assembling switches and keycaps to the keyboard. For the keycaps, I'm using PBT Blackpink keycaps. They are cherry profile dice up, and they are just perfect match with my switches. Here's the sound test. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, please consider subscribe my channel. Then I see you in the next video. Peace.